Snitch. A person who tells secrets or reports others, usually to authority. Nobody likes a snitch in school. He snitched on me to the teacher. Throw someone under the bus. To betray someone to save yourself. He threw me under the bus in front of the boss. She blamed me just to look good, total backstabber. Toxic. Harmful or very negative, used for people, relationships, behavior. That was a toxic friendship. I'm glad it's over. He's nice at first, but becomes toxic later. Sucker. Someone who is easily fooled or tricked. I was a sucker for her fake stories. Only a sucker would fall for that scam. Two-timer. A person who cheats in a romantic relationship. He's a two-timer. He was dating 2 girls at once. She found out he was a two-timer and dumped him. Doormat. A person who lets others treat them badly. Don't be a doormat, stand up for yourself. She acts like a doormat in that relationship. Worm. A sneaky, weak, or untrustworthy person. That worm lied to my face. Don't trust that worm, he'll turn on you. Downer. A person who always brings sad or negative energy. Talking to him is always a downer. What a downer! We were having fun before that. Blabbermouth. Someone who talks too much and can't keep secrets. Don't tell him anything, he's a blabbermouth. That blabbermouth ruined the surprise party. Narcissist. Someone who only cares about themselves and thinks they're better than others. He's a narcissist, he doesn't care about anyone else. She acts like the world revolves around her. Winner. A person who always complains. Stop being a winner. Just do it. He's such a winner about every little task. Cold fish. A person who is unfriendly or shows no emotions. He didn't even smile. What a cold fish. She's nice, but acts like a cold fish in public. Copycat. A person who copies someone else's work or behavior. Don't be a copycat. Be original. She copied my whole idea, total copycat. Grump. Someone who is always in a bad mood. Why are you such a grump today? He's a morning grump, don't talk to him before coffee. Drama magnet. A person who always attracts problems or chaos. Wherever she goes, drama follows. Total drama magnet. He's a drama magnet, can't stay away from trouble. Stir the pot. To cause trouble or drama on purpose. She loves to stir the pot at family dinners. He said that just to stir the pot. Nosy Parker. A person who is too curious about others' private business. Stop asking questions. You're being a nosy Parker. She's such a nosy Parker, always spying on neighbors. Brown noser. Someone who tries too hard to please someone in power. He's such a brown noser, always praising the boss. I can't stand brown nosers in the office. Dead end. A situation with no future or success. This job feels like a dead end. That relationship was going nowhere, a dead end. Sour grapes. Pretending you didn't want something because you didn't get it. He said the job was boring, but that's just sour grapes. Her comments about the winner were pure sour grapes. Wet noodle. A boring or weak person who doesn't add energy or excitement. He was like a wet noodle at the party. Don't act like a wet noodle, have fun. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.